Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma hakasau terik leber ula pelai ya ka one time settlement OTS scheme na kebentar kinong pendenkam boarding ka MECL haringkat kajian dan lang Menteri Ketenat boarding Abu Tahir Mandal. Haba pelai ya kini ke scheme Chief Minister ula ong bahadu jan saupusan hajar kinong pendenkam boarding kin yo jing mentoy wat palat arpun riu kelur na kinong shim tambat kakuna on samap eno. Kinong pendenkam boarding kin habban siu tang ya katrai ka ba 10% bat ya kan 10% ka basa kin siu hakisan installment klem kasut ula ong. Ula kenturu ya kinong pendenkam boarding bakin shim ya ka kabuling ba kini ka scheme bat ban yo ya ki jing mentoy bala ai da ka sorkar. Ula ong bakani ka sinjam ka dei ka bala shim da ka sorkar ban penduna ya ka jingkit bakya jong kinong pendenkam boarding ki bompat shim lala ban siu ya ka by boarding. Ka OTS scheme arhajar arpusan keterekam tang na kebenta kito giba pendenkam ya ka domestic low tension DLT bat kutir GOT BPL ki bala dep ban penbena ba ka boarding ka baki pendenkam ka long tang hapok san kilowatt na kebenta kito ki long yeng ki bala syaot ka line boarding namar ka jingbom siu ya ka by boarding nang ban yo no ya ka by boarding ka bala sak teng. Kani ka OTS scheme arhajar arpusan kan sedang terekam nadu ka shitarik leber arhajar arpusan hadu ka laipui terik leber arhajar arpusan. Kibala ban apply ban yo jing mentoy lingba kani ka scheme kin datang kito ki long yeng ki bala syaot ka line boarding. Barok ka by boarding ka bompat siu da kinong pendenkam boarding kala kot syaka shispa khat khandai klur.
We are here in the premises of the MECL. And there are two important programs that we had today. The first was an OTS program, that is one-time settlement program for our smaller consumers. If you recall, we had come out with an OTS for larger consumers. We felt that there is a need to give this option to even the smallest consumer of ours and the common man, and to be able to help and support and give them an opportunity to clear the dues that are pending and unnecessary creating financial burden on them. With that objective, we started the OTS program of 2025, especially for our BPL consumers. Through this program, we are writing off all the surcharges that are there. And apart from writing off the surcharges, the principal amount that is there, only 40% has to be paid as down payment, and the rest of the 60% can be paid in installments, which will again be interest free, so that there's no more interest and surcharges that pile up in the future. So this is a program that is going to affect almost 45,000 consumers in the state. And the consumers will get a support of close to about 26 crores of amount will be waived off for this 45,000 consumers. And the total dues that are there is about 119 crores. And as I said, that we urge our consumers to come forward and take advantage of this so that we can clean the slate once and for all and start off fresh. And this is a great opportunity, as I said, for the consumers, as we'll be waiving off the late payment charges.